Imagine turning your ignition key only to be met with a silent engine and a dashboard light showing the code P0685. This diagnostic trouble code means your powertrain control module, which is effectively the brain of your entire vehicle, has lost its vital connection to battery voltage. Most cars made from 1996 onwards use a specific relay to send power to this module, and when that circuit goes open, your car simply cannot function. You will almost certainly face a no-start condition because the computer doesn't have the electricity it needs to tell the spark plugs to fire or the fuel injectors to spray. This issue usually stems from a defective powertrain control module power relay, a blown fuse, or a burnt fusible link. Sometimes, the problem is as simple as a loose battery cable or a bit of green corrosion eating away at the wiring connectors near the battery where moisture tends to settle. To get started on a fix, you should first check for any technical service bulletins for your specific make and model, as manufacturers often release known fixes for these types of electrical gremlins. You will need a digital volt-ohm meter to test the terminals of the relay. Check the primary input terminal for constant battery voltage and the secondary terminal to see if power arrives when you turn the key to the on position. If the relay isn't clicking or sending power to the output terminal, you have likely found your culprit. Also, take a close look at the ignition switch itself, specifically the electrical portion, to ensure it is sending the right signal. If you find that there is power reaching the module but the car still won't start, the module itself might have an internal failure or a programming error. If you are not comfortable testing live electrical circuits or if a simple fuse replacement doesn't solve the problem immediately, you should definitely take your vehicle to a professional technician. Dealing with the main computer's power supply can be tricky, and you don't want to accidentally short out an expensive component. Good luck getting your car back on the road.